Hello guys, my name is Emmanuel from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video I will be showing you four very helpful shortcut keys that could make productivity easier and faster. Well, if that is interesting for you, let's just dive straight into the video. First on my list, I have Windows plus E. Now, what this does is it simply opens the file explorer. So instead of going through the hassle of navigating through finding the file explorer, you could easily just do Windows plus E. Awesome. Secondly, I have Windows plus tab. Windows and tab. Boom. Now, what this does basically is, as you can see, I have a lot of tabs opened already, but with Windows plus tab, I have access to them all at once, and I could easily just go to any one of them and do what I need to do. Now, thirdly, on my list, I have Windows plus Shift plus S. Windows Shift S. And basically, it helps you take a screenshot of your screen. You can take a rectangular screenshot or a freeform screenshot, or basically a window snip or full screen, and everything entirely on your screen. Yeah, if you want to take a picture of or a screenshot of anything you saw online, a dress or something you like, this is the best thing to do. Now, thirdly, on my list, I have Windows plus D. Windows and D. So, have you ever been in a situation where you're working on your PC and then someone's behind you looking at what you're doing? Well, to stop that or to avoid anyone peeking at what you're doing, easily minimize it by pressing this command Windows plus D, and it hides everything you're doing, and whoever else there could go away. Oh yeah, Windows D automatically hides everything, and